Alright, welcome to Performance Unlimited. Today for you, Doniston, we have our 408 450 horsepower engine combination. Give a little bit how this specific package was designed. We got it out with the late model 351 Windsor block, did the Eagle, stroker rotating assembly, have a nice custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft in it. Cylinder heads, we went with the Edelbrock East Street aluminum cylinder heads with the stainless steel roller rockers and the Manley push rods. For the intake, we chose to go with the Edelbrock air gap. Carburation, we chose to go with the Edelbrock 750 CFM with electric choke, and the ignition source is the MSD Pro Billet distributor. If you're interested in having this specific engine combo designed for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at PerformanceUnlimited.com. Let's take you over to Donovan. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it.